The air trembled with anticipation. Cameras flashed. News tickers rolled across TV screens. Metro Manila Subway Tunnel breakthrough achieved. Deep beneath the city, the massive tunnel boring machine, Kaunlaran, pushed through the final inches of concrete. With a thunderous crack, the wall gave way. Dust billowed, and light pierced the darkness. Above ground, crowds gathered, watching history unfold. Cheers and applause echoed underground as workers celebrated. For the first time, Ortigas and Shaw Boulevard stations were connected underground, a milestone for Metro Manila. Beneath the hard hats and safety vests were men and women who gave their all. Some worked double shifts, braving heat and noise. Others left families behind, drawn by the promise of building something historic. When the tunnel boring machine broke through, celebration erupted. Tears mixed with sweat, hugs, and high fives filled the air. "We are building the future," said one young engineer, her voice trembling with pride. The breakthrough proved that teamwork and perseverance could move mountains or burrow beneath them. The pride in their eyes told the story of a nation rising, one tunnel at a time. The Metro Manila Subway was once just a dream. For decades, city planners and commuters imagined trains gliding swiftly beneath EDSA, bypassing the endless gridlock above. The vision was clear, a modern, efficient, and world-class subway system for the capital. But, for years, the dream seemed out of reach. Funding issues, political changes, and technical hurdles delayed progress. Then, in 2018, the ground broke. The government, working with Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, secured funding and expertise. Designs became blueprints. Blueprints became contracts. Soon, heavy machinery arrived, and the first shafts were sunk deep into Manila's earth. Every meter dug was a victory against the city's notorious traffic. Now, the dream is becoming reality, meter by meter. Each breakthrough, each completed tunnel segment, brings the city closer to a future where commutes are measured in minutes, not hours. The subway is no longer a distant hope. It is a living, growing project, one that is changing the landscape of Metro Manila forever. The journey from blueprint to bedrock has not been easy, but with every challenge overcome, the dream grows stronger. The Metro Manila Subway is proof that with vision, determination, and teamwork, even the boldest dreams can come true. The breakthrough between Ortigas and Shaw Boulevard stations is more than just a technical feat, it is a symbol of connection. For the first time, two major business districts are linked by a tunnel that will soon carry thousands of commuters daily. The Ortigas-Shaw segment is one of the most challenging, cutting through dense urban areas and weaving around existing infrastructure. Engineers worked around the clock to ensure the alignment was precise. Any error could mean costly delays or safety risks. The tunnel boring machine, guided by GPS and laser sensors, moved steadily forward, carving a path through soil and rock. When it finally broke through, the celebration was not just about concrete and steel. It was about people. The new connection will ease congestion on the roads above. Ortigas and Shaw are both key transfer points, linking office workers, students, and shoppers. The tunnel breakthrough means faster, safer, and more reliable travel for everyone who lives and works in these bustling districts. This milestone also sets the stage for future breakthroughs. As more stations connect, the subway network will grow stronger. Each new tunnel is a bridge to a better future for Metro Manila. Time is the most precious gift the subway will give back to Metro Manila. Today, millions of commuters spend hours stuck in traffic, missing out on family dinners, school events, and, well, moments of rest. The subway promises to change that. With trains running every few minutes, people will move faster, safer, and more comfortably across the city. The impact goes beyond individual lives. Businesses will thrive as employees arrive on time and goods move quickly. Students will reach their schools with less stress. Hospitals and emergency services will become more accessible. The subway is not just about convenience. It is about unlocking the full potential of the city. Cleaner air is another promise. By shifting thousands of cars and buses off the roads, the subway will help reduce pollution. Fewer vehicles mean less carbon emissions and healthier lungs for everyone. The project is a major step toward a greener, more sustainable Manila. Most importantly, the subway gives hope. It shows that Metro Manila can dream big and deliver. It is a symbol of progress, unity, and the Filipino spirit of resilience. The promise is clear: a better city, a better tomorrow. At the heart of the Metro Manila Subway Project are the tunnel boring machines, these giant mechanical moles that chew through earth and rock. Each machine is honestly a marvel of engineering. Stretching over 90 meters long, they move slowly but powerfully, carving perfect tunnels with millimeter precision. The machines are named for Filipino values, Kaunlaran for progress, Pag-asa for hope, and Tagumpay for victory. The process is really both art and science. The front of the machine spins a massive cutter head, breaking up soil and rock. Conveyor belts carry the debris to the rear, where it's hauled out of the tunnel. Behind the cutter head, workers install concrete lining segments, creating a smooth and stable tunnel wall as the machine advances. Progress is tracked in real time. Engineers monitor every movement, adjusting for changes in soil, water, or underground obstacles. The tunnel boring machines work day and night, rain or shine, pushing the subway forward meter by meter. Visible changes are everywhere. Giant shafts dot the city, cranes swing overhead, and station boxes rise from the ground. Each site is a hive of activity, showing the subway's progress in concrete and steel. The Metro Manila Subway's route is, well, pretty ambitious. It stretches 33 kilometers from Valenzuela in the north to NEA Terminal 3 in the south. There will be 17 stations connecting key business districts, government centers, and residential areas. Major stops include North Avenue, Quezon Avenue, Ortigas, Bonifacio Global City, and the airport. This network will absolutely transform commuting. Travel time from Quezon City to the airport will drop from up to 2 hours to just 35 minutes. The subway will connect with existing rail lines, buses, and jeepneys, making transfers seamless. For the first time, Metro Manila will have a true mass transit backbone. Stations are designed for comfort and safety. Wide platforms, elevators, and clear signage will help passengers move easily. Each station will be a gateway to the city, linking neighborhoods and opening new opportunities for business and leisure. The subway is more than just a train, it is a lifeline. It will connect people to jobs, schools, and loved ones, shrinking the city and expanding horizons. The Metro Manila Subway is honestly one of the largest infrastructure projects in Philippine history. Its success really depends on strong partnerships. Japan, through JICA, is the main partner, providing funding, technology, and expertise. Japanese contractors work alongside Filipino engineers, sharing knowledge and best practices. Funding is carefully managed. The project uses a combination of loans, government investment, and private sector support. Every peso is tracked, with strict oversight to prevent delays and corruption. Project managers use cutting-edge tools to monitor progress and keep construction on schedule. Speed and quality are top priorities. Lessons from other subway projects, both successes and failures, guide the team. Regular audits and safety checks ensure that every tunnel and station meets world-class standards. The partnership goes beyond construction. Japanese experts train local workers, building skills that will last long after the subway is complete. This is not just about building infrastructure, it is about building people. The Metro Manila Subway is setting new standards for technology and passenger experience. The trains are modern, spacious, and air-conditioned. Each train can carry over 2,200 passengers. Safety features include automatic doors, CCTV, and emergency systems. Real-time information screens keep commuters informed. The tunnel boring machines are technological marvels. Deep underground, they use sensors and robotics to avoid obstacles and ensure safety. The machines work in silence, far below the city's noise, creating tunnels that will last for generations. The impact of the subway goes beyond transportation. It will create thousands of jobs, from construction workers to train operators. It will inspire a new generation of Filipino engineers, architects, and planners. The project is a classroom, a training ground, and a symbol of what is possible. As the first trains roll out, a new legacy is born. Metro Manila is not just catching up with its neighbors, it is setting its own path. The subway is a gift to the future, a promise kept, and a beacon of hope for all Filipinos.